Make some money.
Yeah, we'll collect them on the way down. Beehive Trail. Look at that.
Yeah.
Where's Ricky?
Way back there.
So I guess just like the idea of like it's just interesting to me that instead of keeping the idea.
Oh, you don't know. I remember this. That one. You wasn't into that Fortnite.
That's what I said. Oh, you walk the truck? You do it from here?
Really? Oh, shit. I can't lock my car home. So. That's impressive. My buddies, he's moving down to DC, Virginia area.
Yeah.
To work in DC.
Yeah.
And so we're trying to plan like a little fishing outing before he goes there. And he's like, oh, yeah. He's like, worst case or best case, come visit me, we'll hike the down.
Oh yeah.
I was like, oh, that's good. So,
Well, you can come stay with us,
it was nice.
and we'll take you.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Probably fish on that little island.
Is that sand beach place?
That right there, this little nook.
Yeah. There's some pigs down in there. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Can I put this in there? It feels like it's gonna fall out of my back pocket.
You don't need that.
That would suck. All right.
Once you get up this thing, there's no going back down. You can go back down this way, bro, but it will be way harder.
Oh yeah, I think there's another trail. Yeah, yeah.
You can go through.
There's a line.
Yeah, stick finger to people are taking pictures down there.
You see him?
Guys taking pictures of us. You guys stick finger there.
me.
Yeah. I don't like heights.
Oh no.
I mean, I can function,
Yeah.
but it's like, wow.
It's always like the subconscious. You're like,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
it's there. You know?
Yep.
It's just definitely there.
I mean, I can go up on like a 20-foot ladder and be okay.
Yep. Right.
But yeah, this just
Pushing it.
makes you realize how small you are.
Oh. Right. Every step and handhold are worth a lot more up here.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. Hello.
Thanks, King.
Get that thing on?
Is it?
Yep.
Suck it wasn't.
I'm not like dying.
There's another trail that goes down?
Yeah.
Different
So
one?
on the back side, you just walk down and it's going to come around.
Oh,
on the
okay.
side.
I had time to figure that out.
On your right footing, Ab.
No, shit.
There you go.
Too smart with the metal. Yeah. That's slippery.
Almost at the top. Oh, he almost said.
All right.
You'll get all of that. Yeah. I know, but like, I don't
Made it.
You any fish in that pond?
Yep.
That being dead. Said you're not getting a donkey. Make an exchange. Yeah. Small dog. So you're getting a big one. I told him I'm getting a German short hair.
Almost rolled the ankle.
So we going?
I think so. I don't know. I guess down the bowl trail. Small
Joe
loop.
Brown's gonna go back to Sand Beach.
Doing mountain parkour. Yeah, how's it going?
Good.
This is Broken Ankle City here.
Yeah. You can definitely feel it.
Oh, there's a cave right down there.
Yeah. Probably a snake in there.
Yep.
Sure.
That's loose.
Is this straight rock or is it?
I think
or
it's
is it
just
like
pipe.
little culvert or something?
Yeah, look. Oh yeah. Well, they said there's a drought going on in Maine right now, right?
Yeah.
That's probably why this is dry. Oh yeah, that's where we were.
Deer track. We're way up there. Look, there's people still coming out.
Yeah, could be going up